welcome back to my channel. So I just want to do this really quick intro before I go get in the shower and just begin my night. We have been waiting. When I say we, I'm like me and my husband, and probably everybody in this town, or maybe other town, have been waiting for the Ballantine House to be restored and completed. I think it took them about 4 or 5 years, a long time. Because when we first got here, this wonderful museum, and they have like this beautiful art and all this culture, and they have like a Buddhist temple in there. Like if you want to go there and do a prayer, you can. It's wonderful, and they have like all this rich history. And the Ballantine House, which is the I don't know too much about it, so don't quote me on that. But the Ballantine House is like an old house from the I believe the 1800s, early 1900s. Again, don't quote me on that. And you talk about the Ballantines, like the family who was like rich and like did all this stuff around Newark. That's bad. Anyway, so it finally opened today. And I was supposed to go with my son, but he wasn't feeling well. So while he was at home taking a much needed nap, I was like, let me just go skedaddle over there and just see what's going on, because they have like games over there, like carnival games, and they have live performances, which in the clip you're going to see this lady playing the violin who is amazing, and she looks so adorable in her outfit. And they have like quilt making, arts and crafts. Oh, it's just a bunch of stuff, and they have vendors there. And so in the clips that you're going to see the Ballantine House. I'm going to show you what I saw, like different rooms: the parlor room, the reception room, Alice's, which is the Ballantine's daughter's room, and the lady of the house, which is the wife, her room. And then they also have something different, because before it was restored, they didn't have this much rich culture, especially of the town that I'm in the Ballantine House. And I was like, this is so cool. So like you'll see one room, it has the black women liberators of this town, and it tells you their story and what they went through, including slavery, and just making it. Some of them were rich, some of them were just struggling to get by, as expected, you know, back in that time. And then it's like 3 or 4 stories, but they only open up 2 stories, and the other stories are just offices for the museum. But yeah, I had so much fun. The only thing that I regret is that when I go to the museum, which I love going to the museum, I can spend the entire day. If it opens at 10 and closes at 7, I can stay there until 7, because I'm the type of person, I don't like to just go to the museum and just look at everything and then just keep going. I like to look, I like to read what it's about, I like to learn what I'm reading, and then like, oh, okay, I didn't know that. I love learning. So I just really didn't like that I didn't have enough time to read as much as I wanted to. I read some things, like of Ellen King. She's one of the female black liberators, and Face, which is another lady. And I learned a couple of things, but not as much as I wanted to. So next time, hopefully on my day off, I'll take my husband, because I know he's been waiting a long time to go. And we can just make like a whole day trip of it while the children are in school. So enough talking. The next couple clips, I'm not going to be talking. You just view what I see, starting with the performances and ending with the Ballantine Mansion in front, next to the museum. So enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not going to do an outro. I'm just going to tell you guys, if you like this video, which I hope you do, push the like button, comment below. I like having a conversation. Thank you guys to my new subscribers. I have been getting some new subscribers lately, and I've just been so grateful for every one of you that clicks subscribe. Please continue to subscribe, tell your friends and family about my channel. If there's anything you want to do or want to see me do to attempt, where there's hair or activity that's, you know, reasonable and innocent, then yes, I will be happy to consider it and have a conversation about it. So, yeah. Thank you guys again for tuning in. And I post a video every week, so stay tuned. And until next time, bye. Don't click off. Keep watching.